First stop in this 2-minute tour of the 34J, this decor. Would you look at that? This is new. The cabinets are coastline gray. The decor is called Venice stone. You see it here on this gray campsite sofa. So you're sitting here, you're relaxing, you get tired at night, it flips into a bed. Right across this dream dinette. Now look at this. Drinks for two. This could be you sitting here. Also nestled right up front in between the captain's chairs, this terrific table. Every spot you sit in here is great when you need a little TV time. You have a Blu-ray player and the WineGuard Connect to create your own 4G hotspot if you want to do a little streaming. This kitchen has got it going on. Solid surface countertops, a double bowl stainless steel sink with cover, a residential fridge, and you are going to love the amount of storage. There's a 3-burner gas cooktop, bakers, you get your oven, and look at the glow from the under-the-counter LED lighting. I love the way this looks. The 34J is a bunkhouse, so go ahead, let the kids bring a friend along. Midship, you have a great bathroom. It's hard to miss all that counter space. You have a porcelain toilet and a shower with glass door. And how about this bedroom? That is a king-size bed. Along with king-size nightstands, you have charging ports, closets, large dresser tops. You even have a TV back here. Outside, live it up. You have a power patio, a TV, even a kitchen with all the fixins and an exterior propane connection for the grill. The drive gets underway with a V8 350 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque. You have an 8,000-pound hitch out back. In the cockpit, you have this user-friendly dash and a fully featured infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 100 watts of solar charging is optional, and 100% chance of great memories comes standard. Want the full story on the Windsport 34J? Then visit thormotorcoach.com.